Yo, hello guys, welcome to Motorview Rides, man. It's Mike over here. Today we're here at Concours D'Elegance, man. Gong Race Course for the 2024 Concours D'Elegance, man. Which is a term just means the competition of elegance. So you'll see all classic cars, man, all classic bikes, classic stuff, man. So stick until the end of the video. Motorview Rides has you covered, man. Cheers, man. Yeah.
Probably over 10. That's impressive. Are you all enjoying yourself? Are you? These are very popular cars with government officials in Uganda around the independence period.
This is a very popular car in Kenya with government officials during the era of Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, our second president. Tell me about your car. It's in very nice condition. Thank you. He's actually that much.
That's how they used to do it. Hands down. What happened? The carrier. The carrier is fucked up. Sorry, Mr. Dicto content maker. Content creator.
Enjoy yourself.
Just listen to this. This is the guy who sings. Go to the bike. Are you on any of the dating okay. Do you wish to remain single or would you like to take your thing? Oh, controversial.
Sorry, boss.
Check one in hivi.
Hey, Philip, we've got the first bike. Oh, great. Yeah, I want to do it.
that everything you're putting on is the RD, including the other things that it doesn't. You're the RD. But you give us the sound. Two brothers, also. Okay, isn't that great? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the motorbike is a Harley Davidson Beats. I'd just like to introduce you. So just tell us, are you in the government or are you just a serving sitting MP, are you?
I'm a member of parliament in the opposition, and this is my 4th term in parliament.
And how's it going?
It's up and down, but we're trying our best.
Good luck to you. Okay, let's not talk about politics. So, sir, I understand you spent your formative years here in Kenya. Can you tell us a little bit about that? Did you go to school here, etc.?
I was a student at Imani School in Thika. That was from 81 to 84. Then later on, around 87, I also came back to Kenya and actually started my work career in Kenya left in the early 90s.
What were you doing, if you don't mind us asking?
At that time, I was selling veterinary and public health products under a company back to Dar es Salaam, then to Mombasa. I came as part of the team that came directly from Uganda to Mombasa and joined them outside Gordon Area. Then by the third team, which have come directly to take part in the concourse. And it's just been something where we've been working around being in Nairobi for the last weekend of September, and this provides a great end of a tour which we normally do every September.
Very good. So nice. Thank you very much. You know, I've been doing this commentary for many years, and the Ugandan entries are fantastic. We're so grateful. Maybe you could host a similar event one day. Is that possible? Okay, so there's a challenge for you, sir. Maybe you can host an event like this in Uganda. Is that a challenge? Fantastic. A big round of applause for Meshamiwa. You're so welcome. Karibu tena.
First generation, you know.
Good afternoon, KKX. Hey, my friend, how are you? Tell us about your car. I remember this from last year, but I've forgotten the details.
Tanks 67.
But it's got a different engine, it's got a different gearbox. You can tell us what you've done to it.
It has almost the same engine as the wheels and the braking system.
Gearbox and turbo gearbox. It's a very nice car. And when did you get the paint job done?
Will you describe your outfit as the Great African Chief? How many African countries have you been to? More than 100. Oh wow. You have a free cookie what the promo? And which is your favorite destination? Paris. Awesome. So I just want to repeat that this is Dr. Aluwat. He's been to 120 countries, 45 African countries. And the African outfit today for him is described as the Great African Chief. So thank you again for coming this year and showing us your car and the wonderful outfit. Hope to see you again this year.
Big round of applause for Dr. What a great character.
A round of applause, please, for Dr.
Dr. You must come back next year. You haven't had enough. You need to give us 5 years' notice if you want to have enough.
That's 400. It's a big limousine, 25 years range, generation of the LX 400. It exhibits purpose, elegance, with a 4,000cc V8 VVTi engine, unrivaled I think that was, that has been severally been tried the most smoothest and most reliable engine of Lexus. The 10% PUV engine has a powertrain known to achieve extremely high mileage and remains reliable while doing so. It is a power output of 289 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. Very few units were imported, and coming in 2000, and amazingly, this is amazing beauty. Sorry, the writing is difficult to read. The What Car 2024 Reliability Survey.
In the motorcycle paddock, there's food halls, there's trade exhibition tents, there's all sorts of things for the kids to do, and just enjoy yourself, and a very warm welcome. Whilst I'm at it, just to quickly thank our sponsors once again. This event would not be possible without them. Those are the embassy
Security Limited, Little Homeboys, Skilly, Dots Graphic Limited, and ASN. And talking of Skilly, there's a fashion show after the awards ceremony, so please hang around for that. There'll be lots and lots of fun to be had.
Good afternoon. Yes, please. Yes, please. I've just said what I've got a car park. Speak up. This is 107 450 SLC. Tell us more.
Indeed, a very illustrious vehicle. At that time, 70s. Very expensive
with 215 points. Second place, Mohammed Khan, we have an iconic car that hasn't changed its line since 1963. Porsche 911.
up to 200 cc. In third place, car number 26, Joron Karanja, 1972 Volkswagen Beetle. Another classic rally car of yesteryear. Very nice car, very popular still on the classic rally scene. Okay, second place, plus 5. Tell us a bit about it.
It's a Ford Escort Mark 1, 1975. It's a 110 liter. It's very tail happy. It screams like it. Yeah, about that, yes.
To collect this prize? Okay, I don't think we have one. The class winner for class 5 touring cars from 1001 cc up to 1200 cc. Car number 28, Jane Chemborem in a 1962 Volkswagen Commandeer. Please step forward, Jane. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, Mrs. Jane Chemborem, big round of applause for Jane. Well done. Absolutely well done. Very well done. Well done, Jane.
Paul, we're not stealing. Done, congratulations.
Just a little flick of the wrist.
No, ¿cómo te nada, güey? ¿Cómo te nada, güey? Thank you. Yes,
Chali apate mrudi patane.
Leslie ni mtoto wako.
Obama ndio mlipia ndio.
Normal gaz. Sånn du
See you later.
and cleaning it with my shirt. Do you have it?